So with vlogging and trying to...
Ayy, I'm on a mission, I'm fire. I get that target acquired. Claiming you pass me, you liar. Watch how I'm speeding right by you. Burning rubber off your tires. Smoke clouds when I'm driving. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like whoa. Every day I'm touching road. Hellcat sitting low. I go 205 just wait till I hit the nitro. I can't even let you get close. Jet fuel in the tank. Big blues in the bank. I had to up on my rank. They couldn't do it like I can. No one can do it it take. Okay, okay. Mission flyer. Spitting fire.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the still rainy state of Florida. It's probably been raining about a week. It's probably going to rain for a couple more days. As I said, it's either rainy or sunny. So today, I have something a little bit different. I'm gonna sold some tires off my other rims, so I gotta go get those rims out of my storage unit. Take them to the tire place, get them taken off, so I could get the wheel sold, not the wheel sold, the tires are sold, and then bring the tires back here. My buddy's son's gonna come and pick them up. So it's just a bunch of moving back and forth today. So I figure I'll take you guys along for the ride with me today. Yeah, so take you guys for the ride. Also, I gotta take these tires back. I'm gonna take these tires to the storage unit because I don't need them in here right now. Leaving the fuel, I still have to defuel, so I have the 5 gallons of one ethanol for when I swap over that stuff and tune the car. So I have these tires to put in the back of the truck, and then get some other tires to put in the back of the truck to take them to the car place again. Yeah, so it's about to be playing a bunch of Tetris, so take you guys along for the ride today. You guys ain't doing nothing anyway, right? It's cold up north, it's snow, it's icy. You guys need to stay inside. It's rain in Florida. You guys need to stay inside, but it's okay for me to go outside because I have a 2-wheel drive truck, so it's okay.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed.
Here we are in the unit. As I said, this is a climate control one. I have it packed with a whole bunch of house stuff. Then all my car stuff is right down here. So those are the tires that I sold. That's on the factory Hellcat rims, brand new still. Some Mickey Thompson ET Street SS. So I'm gonna take those to the place to get them demounted off of the rims, and then those, of course, the GTO wheels. Those are my aftermarket wheels. Then I have more wheels and more wheels and more wheels. So let me go ahead and get to it and get this out of here, and we can load this up and get it to the tire shop. Man, I'm already tired. I didn't even do nothing yet. So we got the tires. Cakes. Now all we're gonna do with these is bring these, load these up in the truck, and then go from there. So today, all we're doing is just moving tires around like we work at a tire shop. So, taking you guys along for the ride, for the tire ride today. So this is like the behind the scenes stuff that a lot of people don't get to see, because you guys just see the end results. So with vlogging and trying to... Tire fell off. Camera fell down. doesn't look to be broke yet, so let me get these tires up and go from there. So I'm here by my local tire shop, Kellers. They do all my stuff for me, so I'm about to jump out and get these tires taken in so they could take the tires off the wheels for me. All right, let's go. My favorite tire people at Kellers. What's up? What up, what up, what up, what up? Hey, I got the tires on my stock wheels. I'm gonna take them. I sold the tires, so I want to just take them off.
What? You just want the tires off of it?
Yeah. Yeah. You think I could wait, or it's gonna be a minute?
Oh, it's gonna be a minute. I'm about to go lunch. Oh, he can do it.
Yeah.
Probably still gonna be a minute.
Okay, so I just come back and pick them up.
It probably be like shit. Probably like.
Kellers, check them out. They also do alignments. They got this, I don't know what, buttercream Nova, the unpopular, but it's clean though.
It's clean. It's very clean.
And look at that. What do you think? 350 or 400?
My guess would be a 350.
Look at that. They redid that up. I like that drive belt system that they got in the front.
Yeah, that billet.
Oh, we got AC too.
Oh yeah, AC power steering. It's as modern as you can get.
It's a sleeper.
Yeah.
You wouldn't think this thing it probably sounds good.
It does. It's got a nice little sound to it. And it don't sound panned up there. It ain't gonna choppy.
Okay.
It's nice and mellow.
Unassuming. Ugh.
Did you get yours put back together?
Not, not yet. I'm here to take some tires off. So what are you doing, an alignment?
Alignment, yeah.
So what it do? It uses these like a laser?
Digital cameras.
Oh.
Digital cameras up here take picture of this and then it processes it. And,
So how do you adjust it? Underneath?
on these it's the upper control arms and then the tow rods in front.
Oh.
And rear
So
end
you
is
set
all-
these a certain way, then you just move everything else, and then the camera will tell you if it's good or not?
Yep.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty space age.
Yeah, man.
Look at that thing.
It's neat. We like it. It works real good for us.
Is it a Hunter machine?
No, John Bean.
John Bean.
No. The Hunter.
The drink, the drink? The liquor?
No.
Oh, that's Jim Beam. It's his brother.
Yeah, his brother. He does electronics. He does electronics.
Yeah, that.
We like the Hunter machine, but it was a little bit limited.
Okay.
This one's a little bit more versatile. We like versatile better.
Yeah.
Because we work on everything from, it's like everything.
Okay.
I've had everything from a 27 Studebaker to a 2020 Z06. So
Okay.
this one lets us
Do everything.
everything in between, yeah.
John Beam. Jim Beam's brother. So one down. What? Man, that was fast. You got
Well,
two.
the Mickey Thompsons are softer tires than the Pirellis.
Oh, okay. So they're easy to, yeah. For the compound,
Yeah.
put these in the back of the truck. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit all four back here. Dang. Okay, hard to do this thing with one hand. I'm gonna have to put you guys down for a second.
I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen. She lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. I'm well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder. She wrote it. Still up with courage of doing a service. Pull up to the crib. I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like.